So guys, today pag-uusapan natin is all about the game turbo mode and para saan siya. I know na marami sa inyo curious dito and probably hindi nyo na-optimize tong special na app or mode na ginawa ni Xiaomi, dinevelop niya just for user ng Xiaomi. For Xiaomi, Redmi, and of course Poco. Black Shark not included. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano nyo ma-access ang game turbo mode, tara, panoorin mo ang video na ito. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So today, tuturuan ko kayo how to start off kasi I'm sure na nagtataka kayo kung nasaan yung game turbo mode sa inyong phone upon boot up, hindi mo talaga siya makikita. First up, puntahan nyo lang ang iyong security app. Meron siyang kulay green na logo na may parang kidlat. Pag pindot ninyo, makikita mo, pag slide down nyo, andyan sa ilalim ang game turbo mode. Pagpasok mo ng game turbo mode, magtataka ka, walang games added. Of course, syempre, ikaw mag-a-add. Andito ang plus sign. Pag-add mo, ikaw mag-a-add. Let's say, gusto ko add si Antutu Benchmark. Gusto ko i-add si Asphalt 9. Gusto ko i-add si Call of Duty Mobile. And gusto ko i-add si Genshin Impact. Now, click back. Makita mo lahat sila loaded na dito. Okay? Mabilis siya i-access. Now, kung gusto mo i-access and meron ka mga settings na gusto mong kalikutin, andito lang setting mode. Yan, kita mo. The game turbo mode basically improves your gaming experience. Ginawa ni Xiaomi for its user to let you feel the game. Of course, every phone differs ang kanyang game turbo mode. Maybe there are some settings na present dito sa aking Poco X4 GT na hindi present sa inyong Redmi 10. Of course, meron mga ibang features na hindi mo talaga ma-unlock kasi depende rin siya sa processor. Now, dragging it down, kita mo andito lahat ng mga settings na kaya mo malaman. Performance mode, pwede mo i-calibrate, of course, to your requirements. So, pwede mo rin turn on ang Do Not Disturb mode. Now, kailangan mo i-set ang gusto mong mode, kung let's say Call of Duty Mobile. Lalagay mo kung anong klaseng performance na gusto mo ibigay. By default, naka-default siya. Meron ka save power. Meron ka rin balance. Meron kang high quality. Ako, I'll be choosing this one, high quality. And of course, custom. Depende sa iyong taste. So, right now, naka-high quality aking Call of Duty Mobile. Now, to start playing, just click Start Playing. And makikita mo, in a while, ayan, Game Turbo Timer, andyan na. So, all you need to do is to slide out from the upper leftmost na yung screen. So, kita mo, there are floating windows. So, ito, kitang-kita na natin lahat ng settings that you want. Okay? So, kailangan mo i-set up siya. Now, if you want to clear memory, pindutin mo lang siya, makiklearing siya ng memory. May nag-free up siya ng memory. Then, of course, sliding out again. Gusto mong i-clear memory automatically, ito, pindutin mo ng boost. Now, it will give you the best performance possible para sa inyong gaming experience. Now, ganun lang siya kasimple. Now, before ka mag-game boost, makita mo 29 FPS na siya. After that, 144, 138, somewhere, andun na lang siya. Okay, which is a lot of improvement. Pwede mo ilagay sa performance mode, like this one, mahihindilaw siya. So, mas mafe-feel mo yung enhancement ng game. And of course, there are some settings that you might want to see, which is andito yung kanina. And every time na nilalabas mo, makita mo siya. Of course, nandiyan yung timer and voice changer. Do not disturb. Okay, so lahat ng notification na pumapasok, mare-restrict. Okay, so ang wag mo lang i-restrict is ang tawag ng iyong misis kasi baka ikay hindi na makalaro ulit. Then of course, pwede ka mag-record ng iyong gaming, mag-screen record siya. Kita natin icon dito, no? Nag-record siya. To stop, pindutin mo na itong icon na to. Okay, yan, to record. Okay, makita mo screen record, save sa gallery. So, slide out kita, pwede ka rin mag-screenshot, just like this one. Okay, it will take a screenshot of the gameplay itself. You can send it to mga friends mo, depende kung saan mo gusto i-send. And this is yung screenshot kanina na nakuha mo. Pwede mo i-send to this different mga apps na pwede mo pagpadalhan. Okay, so kita natin na pag hindi ka naka-performance mode, hindi mo makukuha ang 144 FPS. Okay? So, it really proves na ang layo na nararating if you're using the game turbo mode when you're playing the game. Now, of course, some other settings might be here sa gear ni Call of Duty Mobile. So, these are the settings na nilagay ko sa kanya for Call of Duty Mobile. So, right now, I'll just play a quick game. Pakita ko sa inyo na it has really improved after mo gumamit ng game turbo mode dito sa aking Poco X4 GT. Before that, i-turn on muna natin Do Not Disturb para walang manggulo. Now guys, nakita na ang performance ng, of course, using the game turbo mode. I feel na medyo mas na-enhance ang aking gaming experience after playing with the game turbo mode on as opposed dun sa naka-off ang game turbo mode. Kasi while it's on, parang it gives you yung boost that you need and of course the better FPS when running the Call of Duty Mobile. Right now, I'm running at around 143 FPS. Okay, so definitely it's a better experience if you're playing the game dito sa mga Xiaomi phones using the game turbo mode. Now, I hope guys na may natutunan kayo dito sa game turbo mode na discussion natin here on my channel. And if you like to see more of this kind of discussion, just hit me on the comment section below and I'll probably give it to you kung kaya natin gawin ang request niyo. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?